Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Auto Cars. The 2025 Honda Jazz continues its legacy as a versatile and efficient compact hatchback, tailored for both urban environments and longer journeys. This model seamlessly blends modern design, advanced technology, and practical functionality. Design and exterior. The 2025 Jazz features a sleek and contemporary exterior, highlighted by sharp lines and a bold front grille. Its compact dimensions, measuring approximately 4,044 mm in length, 1,694 mm in width, and 1,526 mm in height, make it adept at navigating city streets while offering a spacious interior. The vehicle's aerodynamic profile not only enhances its visual appeal but also contributes to improved fuel efficiency. Interior and comfort. Inside, the Jazz offers a thoughtfully designed cabin with high-quality materials and a focus on comfort. The spacious interior provides ample headroom and legroom for both front and rear passengers, accommodating up to 5 occupants comfortably. A standout feature is Honda's Magic Seats, which allow for multiple seating configurations and maximize cargo space, catering to various storage needs. Performance and engine specifications. Under the hood, the 2025 Jazz is equipped with a 1.5-liter IVTEC petrol engine paired with Honda's EHEV hybrid system. This combination delivers a total output of approximately 122 horsepower, ensuring responsive acceleration and a dynamic driving experience. The powertrain is mated to an eCVT transmission, providing smooth and efficient power delivery. The hybrid system enhances fuel efficiency, making it an economical choice for daily commutes and extended trips. Technology and features. The Jazz comes equipped with a range of advanced technological features designed to enhance convenience and safety. The infotainment system includes a 9-inch touchscreen display with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto integration, allowing seamless connectivity with smartphones. The instrument cluster features a 7-inch digital display, providing essential driving information at a glance. Safety is prioritized with the inclusion of Honda Sensing, a suite of driver assist technologies such as adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, collision mitigation braking system, and traffic sign recognition. Fuel efficiency. The hybrid powertrain of the 2025 Jazz offers impressive fuel economy, with official figures indicating up to 62.8 miles per gallon MPG under the WLTP testing cycle. This efficiency not only reduces running costs but also minimizes environmental impact, aligning with eco-conscious driving practices. Pricing and availability. The 2025 Honda Jazz is available in multiple trim levels, including the Elegance, Advance, and Cross-Star Advance variants. Pricing in the UK market starts at approximately £27,395 for the Elegance trim, with higher trims offering additional features at a premium. Potential buyers are encouraged to visit authorized Honda dealerships or the official Honda website for detailed information on pricing, available configurations, and financing options. In summary, the 2025 Honda Jazz stands out in the compact hatchback segment by combining practicality, advanced technology, and efficient performance. Its spacious interior, versatile seating, and comprehensive safety features make it a compelling choice for a wide range of drivers. For a visual overview and more detailed insights into the 2025 Honda Jazz, you might find the following video informative: 2025 Honda Jazz features, price, and performance.